Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gaming Chat. In this video I'm going to show you how I set up my server. Note, this recording was 1 year ago, but I thought they were lost, but I found them today. I should also note that this is not a tutorial nor a walkthrough. It's a rough explanation of what I'm doing in this video, since I don't remember much because it was 1 year ago. For starting out, I'm just doing some post-install stuff like making proxmox use my whole storage and deleting the local LVM storage. Next step is doing this post-install script, which I found from the site you just saw. I will try, if I remember it, to post it in the description. Now let's enable IOMMU. It's difficult to say. I'm just browsing through some sites and I found this Reddit post, which seems the most accurate. And obviously SSH via terminal is much better than the web UI. And of course, yeah, I forgot to do that. Oh wait. Now I have got multiple hard drives and I need to pass through those, so I'm just browsing again some web pages until I found one appropriate and correct web page instructions. So now I'm going to the storage tab, to the disk tab actually, and I tried that but it failed because you will see in a bit it's gonna need, I'm looking for, of course, at the error, and it needs to be wiped, which I'm gonna do in a second, like there. Yeah, it's gonna be fast, I don't need to cut it. Now let's initialize it. There we go. Done. And now I just have to add the directory so I can see it on the left hand side panel. Yep, I just found a page that tells me how to mount the hard drive onto Proxmox. Yeah. And obviously let's just SH into this. Now I have mounted the hard drive and I need to make a directory so I can see it on the left panel over there.